Admission Backup presents Career Guidance Podcast 9th October 2025. Energy Transformation and Conservation. Solar energy, hydrogen energy, wind energy and fossil fuel are four natural energy resources available. Solar energy is the purest form of energy as it comes directly from the sun. It keeps the planet warm and provides nourishment to all living beings. It also helps kill bacteria, fungi and parasites. Wind energy comes from air and hydrogen energy comes from water H2O. To utilize wind and hydrogen energy, windmills, power grids, electrical wiring and cabling are required. Carbon energy, fossil fuel, is derived from burning crude oil and coal, which requires mining the earth crust. Thermonuclear energy or atomic energy, uranium, releases hazardous radiation. Therefore, it is not advisable to set up thermonuclear power plants. Energy conservation helps prevent the wastage of electricity used to power our home appliances. Due to the mass consumption of energy in urban cities, there is often a shortage of supply for rural population. Thus, energy sharing must be managed in a uniform way so that all citizens receive an adequate amount of electricity for their household needs. In our country, electricity is mostly produced by burning coal. This releases greenhouse gases which contribute to global warming. It is advisable to use devices that consume less energy, such as smartphones and tablets, for entertainment and learning. To learn more about power transmission and distribution, interested students can join an electrical engineering course. Thank you for listening. For more information, visit www.admissionbackup.com.